Hi, my name is James Christie and my student number is 2189220, and I'm presently undertaking a bachelor's degree in marine biology and aquaculture with Flinders University. Over the last semester, we've learnt that science in the real world relies very heavily on your ability to be able to communicate, not only with other scientists and researchers, but with the broader community and government organisations, particularly with a need to be able to communicate to gain grants and research funding. There's also quite a prevalence for your scientists to be able to educate and convey information to broader community groups to create awareness around issues. My ideas haven't changed greatly over the last semester. I knew that this was part of being a scientist. However, I didn't realise that it was quite so heavily weighted as a necessary aspect of being a scientist. Of course, we'd all like to just be a pure scientist and work in a lab and not have to communicate with the wider world. But it seems that if you do not develop the ability to communicate as a scientist, then you likely will perish. And publish and perish is something that has been taught to us repeatedly over this last semester, and I see now why that is so prevalent. How will I use that in my future endeavours? I look forward to sharpening my ability to communicate clearly, and as such I'd like to engage upon some stronger communications courses in regard to science, and I look forward to being able to utilise my degree as well as my acquired communication skills to be able to not only apply for grants and gain abilities to conduct research of my own, but the possibility of down the track needing to be able to create awareness around a prevalent issue or become almost an activist for environmental concerns, particularly in regard to marine or food resource development, is something that I think is very important and will only continue to gain importance in the future. Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure.